It's 11 a.m. We just woke up. We were supposed to be up 3 hours ago. All right, here we are. It's 12:47.
We're getting a really late start today.
All right, we already went the wrong way, so we're going back.
It took us 4 minutes to go the wrong way.
All right, we're back on track.
You might be wondering, why are we wearing swim trunks? Let's just say we're probably gonna get wet on this one.
We're going down into the canyon. All right, we gotta go way down there. All right, we made it to the bottom of the canyon. It's gonna suck to go back up. We're looking for some shade. It's so hot. All right, we finally found some shade. It's like 85 out right now. We're dying. It seems like we followed this river the whole way down. Getting some shade. The sun's really getting us, and we're running out of sunscreen. Wow.
The time has come.
We're taking our shoes off. Looks like we're hiking up this little waterfall. We're about 4.5 miles in. I think we took our shoes off a little too early. We still got a ways to go.
We're still going barefoot.
Dom just fell on some rocks. Come here on this rock. Dom's got a deep gash in his toe. We're patching him up. Tell him what happened.
No.
Dom got scared by a spider and slipped.
Bro.
It's so hot, so the water feels super nice. Wow. I think we got to go up this.
Whoa.
Oh. Wow. Oh, that's a water slide.
Here's the aftermath. Told you we might get wet.
Okay, we're going around the waterfall. It's actually getting quite cold and we're soaked. All right, we're 5.5 miles in. We just found the subway.
We're letting our shirts dry.
Freezing cold. I'm trying to swim over there. Freezing. We can't go any further, so we gotta turn around.
cold.
Coming out of the subway. Damn, how's your foot?
It's good. It's all right.
It's 7:10. We're trying to get back before sunset because we still have like 5 miles to hike. We're looking for our shoes right now. All right, we found the shoes. Sunset's in an hour.
No chance we make it back in time.
All right, we're almost done. Just gotta climb back up there. It's gonna be brutal. We're back at the car. It's just starting to get dark. All right, we're on our way back to Hurricane.